Hi, welcome to this video. My name is Dusan Pavlovic and I will guide you through this video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to create out-of-office message through Microsoft Outlook 2016. This works only with Microsoft Office 365 or Exchange account. We are going to open Outlook. In Files you will find Automatic Replies button. Just click on it and a new window will appear. Check Send Automatic Replies option. It is good to check only send during this time range, otherwise it will start few moments later when you click on OK and stops when you manually disable it. In section Inside My Organization, text that you enter will be automatically sent to people within same domain. On tab Outside My Organization, you can add text that will be automatically sent to anyone who send you email, or just to people that are in your contact list, depending on what have you chosen. Adding rules are certainly a good option. If someone needs to receive copy of email, we will add rule to forward and type address where message should be forwarded. Press OK, confirm, then again OK and OK. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Feel free to contact me on provided email address. Your opinions and advices are welcome. Bye!